do one other example on this friend function. Okay, this is our complex class. Okay, this is the imaginary part, real part, and this all things we have already seen. And I have created a friend of this complex class. Okay, a friend of this complex class. Complex add a comma complex b. Okay, friend complex add is one function. Okay, and is accepting two complex numbers and is returning what a complex object. Okay, and this complex will display what the real and imaginary part of this complex. Okay, so let's see the what is written inside this. Okay, I want to add these two complex number and return another complex number. So here we can see complex A, complex B. Okay, and I have created another complex object here, sum. Okay, and I have created the sum object with the real value as A dot real, B dot real. Okay, A dot real plus B dot real. Let's say the A is 3 to here. So the value, the complex value we have created is 3. Okay. The value we have created is what? Real value is 3 and imaginary value is 2. Okay, we have created something like 3 plus I 2. Okay, something like this we have created here. Complex A 3 comma 2 means what? Sorry, 3 plus I2. Okay, in this case we have created something like 4 plus I4. Okay, so I have created two things like this. Okay, now I need to do what? I want another object C, such as I have to add these two complex numbers and produces the output. Okay, so what will be the output of these things? Here we must get the output as 7. Okay, I and 6. Okay, 7 plus I 6 will be the answer. What we have done here? A's real part, B's real part is added, and it has become the third, the sum's real part, and A's imaginary part with B's imaginary part is added, and it is created what? The sum's imaginary part. Okay, like that only we are adding now. So what we will do here, we will accept one complex number, another complex number, and we are adding it like what? A dot real plus B dot real is assigned to sum dot real. A dot img plus B dot img is assigned to what? Sum dot img, and I am returning the object sum here. Okay, and this sum I am assigning it to what? C. If I am doing the C dot display, what it will print? It must print what? 7 plus I6. Have you understood? So let's execute this thing. So we got the output as what? 7 plus I6. Why we got this? A is equal to 3 plus I2, B is equal to 4 plus I4, and add is a friend function to this complex. Then only it can accept what? This real. Okay, if I am removing this thing, this line from here, this will not work. Okay, this real and real imaginary part, imaginary also not accepted or not accessible from this add if we are not mentioning this friend here. Okay, so we got the output as what? 7 plus I6. Okay,